As part of this tutorial, I am giving you one repository. You can find this, find the link to this repository in the description of this video. All right, so anybody who's watching on YouTube, you can just clone this project. Okay, you can just clone this project. I'll just quickly tell you what is this project. So this project has the backend DRF, and this project has the front end React. Okay, so this is one simple e-commerce project where you can add the products, and then you add the product to the cart, increase the quantity, and delete the quantity, and just place the orders, and few other things are there. So totally it's a e-commerce project. So in this readme.md file, I have written all the instructions, step by step. We will simply follow these instructions to set up this project, and then we dockerize this project, and then we will set up the CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Actions, and then we'll create the Linode virtual private server and set up Nginx, gunicorn, and then connect our custom domain and install SSL on it. Okay, and next time when you want to push or when you want to update your application from the local to live, then you simply run git push origin main, right? Which means when you just push your code to the main branch, our CI/CD pipeline will trigger and it will push your code automatically to your live site. So that's the goal of this video.